Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we are preparing aloo samosa. As you all know, samosa is a must in Ramzan, so please do try at home. Now let's start with the ingredients. I have taken cloves, 2 to 3 cloves. I have chopped that finely. I have taken 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies. I have chopped that as well. I have taken 3 to 4 curry leaves, half spoon of mustard seeds, 1 onion chopped, salt as per taste, and turmeric powder quarter spoon. I have taken about 4 to 5 potatoes. I have boiled that and mashed it. Now we'll go ahead to cooking. I have taken 1 spoon of oil, added mustard seeds. Once it splitters, I've added garlic. Saute that for a while. Make sure we don't burn that. And then we'll add curry leaves. Along with curry leaves, we'll also add onion to it. Once we've added onion, we'll saute that for about 30 seconds until it's soft. Now we'll add green chili, saute that again. And now we'll be adding salt and turmeric powder. We'll saute that for about 30 to 40 seconds until we get rid of the raw flavor of turmeric powder. Next we'll be adding coriander leaves, which is chopped. There you go. And saute that again. Now finally we'll add the potatoes. Now we'll mix the potatoes well, combine that with all the masalas. It's ready now. We'll subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell button on so that every time I post a new video, you will be notified about it. I've taken samosa sheet now. I've just cut the extra corner of it. Now I have folded one side of the sheet and applied flour paste to it. And I'll be attaching the other side onto it so that it sticks well and we get the shape of a samosa. Now we'll just fill the samosa. As you can see the triangle shape there, we'll also add the flour paste there and seal that really well with the aloo mixture that we've prepared. Now we'll just fry the samosas. And just letting you know, the flour paste, I've taken a little bit of flour, added water to it and made a thick paste out of it. Now we'll flip this around and cook this really well on both the sides until we get golden brown color. So there you go, we've got the golden brown color onto the samosas now. We'll serve this. It looks so tasty. Do try that at home and don't forget to tag me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned.